In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the light bulb inside of the Frigidaire oven. This is what this model looks like. However, this process is pretty similar for many ovens. So I'm going to go ahead and look in, and you can see that the light bulb is behind this shield in the upper left corner. The light bulb's currently burnt out, and I know this because when I press the light bulb option on the display, it does not turn on. So I'm going to show you the process to open this up. So let's look at it now. Inside of the oven, you can see that there's this glass dome over the light bulb, and there's this wire. This is the tension wire. And what I'm going to do is move it off of this glass dome, and it will likely fall right off. So let's see. Usually you'll do this with two hands. I'll try to do it with one, and we'll see what happens. So you just apply pressure. Okay, perfect. Apply pressure, the tension wire comes off, and then the glass dome slides right off as well. And the light bulb is located behind the glass shield. So here's that bulb. Yeah, I can see the filament is broken and just kind of hanging there. So definitely a broken light bulb. Here's my replacement. When you get your replacement bulb, make sure that you get an appliance bulb and one that's rated for ovens. You don't want to get an appliance bulb that's only rated for like a sign light or a ceiling fan light. It has to be rated for the oven because this is going to be underneath an immense amount of heat. So go ahead and take that bulb, screw it in just like you would with any other light bulb. Excellent, and now I have light. And go ahead and put the shield back over and slide the wire across the top. I'll go ahead and try pressing the light bulb button right here. Click and hold, and the light is off. Click and hold. Yep, looks like we're functioning correctly. Okay, and that's how you change the light bulb on this Frigidaire oven. Thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful.